and this is what you get. That's the size of it. Doesn't actually fly. One rotor doesn't work, so it just veers off. That is the battery. Completely different to the advert. That's the camera. Gimbal doesn't work. It's basically just a piece of rubbish. Anyway, don't be fooled by the advert. As you can see the size of my hand, then go back to the advert and have a look at the size of the one in his hand. Totally different drone, total rip-off.